Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I got these awesome wooden slices from Arteza. There's 45 in this box. I also got some killer metallic colors. This one comes 36 in the box. So there will be links down in the description if you want to check these out yourself. But we are going to go ahead and paint a couple of these today with some of this metallic paint. So here we go. Alright, so I almost forgot, but I also got these new brushes from my Artscape that I wanted to try out. Oh my gosh, first of all, A+ for packaging. Look at these guys. These are super cool. I've been needing new brushes for quite a while, so we're going to give these a go. These are the nice, long, beautiful ones. And I'll find a link for them as well and put that down in the description. And then these are all the detail brushes. So I think I shall use this one. Okay. My concept was to paint some owls. I like owls, and well, they're little pieces of wood, so it feels like that would work out. I'm using, oh my gosh, there were so many good colors to choose from. Pearl Deep Brown, Pearl Electric Blue, Aztec Gold, Pearl Raspberry, Pearl Turquoise, and Pearl White. Remember, these are all metallics. Yeah, so pretty excited. Look how pretty that looks even on the plate. All right, here we go. Alright, so these aren't perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but they're cute. So I'm going to attach the strings and then we'll do our close-up. And great wood pieces, great brushes, great paints, all approved. So let's go ahead and do our close-up. Alright, so here we go. Owl number 1, little cute guy, and owl number 2. Pretty sure these guys are buddies. The only thing I wasn't super happy with is the beaks. It was really hard to make it that tiny. And so I might just go back in later with a little bit of brighter paint, but I don't know. I also think that they are super cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it was something a little bit different. Once again, check out the products in the description if you are interested in any of them. And otherwise, I'll see you next time.